In this kit, you will learn how to make a variety of projects. Learn how to make rainbows to decorate home decor items, a macaroon photo holder, different types of beads for this trendy keychain, a marbled air plant holder, a terrazzo trinket dish, and learn how to sculpt this adorable mushroom and hedgehog set. This kit includes 20 bars of Sculpey 3 clay in a variety of colors. We've included a lot of clay so that after you've made the 6 projects from this kit, you can create a lot more and keep the fun going. We've also included a large variety of deluxe tools that can all be used for future projects. 3 circle cutters, 12 double-sided plastic modeling tools, a non-skid bottom mat, a needle tool, metal blade, plastic roller, a hexagon texture sheet, and a comprehensive instruction manual that teaches you clay techniques.